Hello leaders and welcome to Digital Mandate, brought to you by Tech Disruptor Media, a part of Bharat Network Group, a platform where we feature visionary leaders who are shaping the future of business and technology. We are live from Lucknow and we are in CIO Horizon 2026 in association with Tenable. I'm your host Aishwarya Saxena, and today we are joined by Mr. Kishore Gojia from Gitanjali Group. How are you, sir?
Hello, ma'am. Hi, I'm fine.
So as we are seeing that data strategy is also something that's becoming a new form of technological change or something that CIOs at digital heads consider now. So how does the data strategy function relate to the IT organization in your company, and where do the mandates need to be better defined?
Fair enough. So, I would like to share a few glimpses about behind this particular question. Hi, friends. I am a Kishore Gojia. I am a group CIO in Gitanjali Group, which is a Rajasthan-based group. Wherein in our all the unit have a different altogether a different solution and different ERP all set together. So data is laid on the unstructured manner. So data is important, and I'll share one live example. For our Jaipur unit, we have implemented a structured data. We have completely digitized the entire 1200 bedded hospital process flow, and out of that we have applied the AI. That AI is nowadays giving us a more insight about for the creation of the new strategy for our business. In terms of, like, let's say example, last month we have a very less patient came from our 5 kilometers radius specially for the cancer unit. Reason? There were 2 or 3 doctors were on tour. That's why the count was significant low. The OPD was significant low. So that impact of the data is now we are taking as a opportunity. We implement the AI on top of that data, and we are taking benefit of structured and unstructured data by connecting AI for the creating a new business strategy.
So technological budgets are under pressure in most organizations. How do you make the case for a technological investment when the business is focused on cost?
Yeah.
And how do you prioritize when everything feels urgent?
That is absolutely right, because budget is a concern always for the IT, because IT is not a guy who generates the revenue. IT is always a cost center. But now the scenario is different. Being a CIO, what I used to drive, I check that whether my expense is directly impacting my revenue. If I invest a 1 CR on my AI portfolio, then it will impact my revenue directly. If yes, if we are getting intangible benefit out of this process, we have to prioritize that processes, those who are directly impacting the revenue. That is the point 1. Point 2, the second part is, which is very important. If am I able to reduce my operational cost by implementing any technology? Let's say example, if you automate a ticketing tool, if you automate the auto calling tool, if you automate the call center, then out of all this solution, if my operational cost is going to cut down on the 10% per se on a periodic basis, then it is a beneficial for my organization. Then I should have to invest it. So being a CIO, we have to prioritize our budget. We have to prioritize our solution based on the impact area which is impacting our business revenue.
That's a great take you have shared with us. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights on this.